Hi guys, today I'm going to talk a little bit about vines and trees. There's about 3 or 4 different types of vines that grow around here, and they'll grow right up these trees and literally just kill the trees if nobody comes along and picks them. This little area here has totally been infected. Too late to save any trees, but this is the result of not saving trees. So when I say I'm out saving trees, I'm out getting vines off the trees so this doesn't happen to them. This is this particular vine, all those red little things. You can see it way over there in the back. Killed all those trees. So the idea on, and this stuff is all over the property. I've been doing nothing since I've been here but pulling these vines. You can just see how it just killed all these trees. See how it just grows up, all that red up in there? That's the vine. Wiped them all out in this little section, which really kind of sucks. And it's really unfortunate because our house is right there. And this would have been a nice little shade area. Everything would have been nice out. No, I'll clean it up, put some new trees in, and show you what it looks like when I get done.